Hello, cs50ai. This is Jintao Li. In this video, I'm going to show my project, parse, how it works. So let's try to test in different texts has been provided in this project. So let's try the first one. So this is the easy sentences, and which is two parts. One must be the long phrase, another one must be the verbal phrase. Let's try the second one. Yeah, this is also like easy understandable and has no ambiguity at all. Let's try the third one. So here we can see we have like three explanations for a single sentences, but this is reasonable because we look at the sentences. We arrived the day before Thursday. So which day exactly it is? The day before Thursday is the Wednesday, but what if it's the speaker is just mean we arrived the day before Thursday? So it's any day is okay just before Thursday, which means Monday, Tuesday, both okay. It's not necessarily to be Wednesday. So this is why the computer will give us multiply explanations here, because following the rules we give to the computer, it has different explanations, but he couldn't understand which one is precisely what the speaker is mean. But all of them are correct. Let's try another one. Okay, so in this case, you can see, although the sentences is longer, but it's clearly structured, so it has no ambiguities, it has no multiply explanations for the computer. Okay, let's try more. Okay, this is also quite nice, well structured, and has only one possible structure. Let's try another one. Yeah, we can see this is like also nice, short, and well interpreted sentences by the computer. Let's try next one. So we can see this is a quite long sentences, but it has been well structured, and the meaning of these sentences has been well explained by the computer. So we can see these sentences has been characterized by the conjunction word until into two parts. So both parts has clear meaning. So that's the reason why, although it's longer, but it has a clear and distinguished meaning. Let's try the next one. Yeah, this looks good. Harmos sit down and light his pipe. So if there's a conjunction word and two parts, actually, and can be separate. We can share like the long phrase, but the verb phrase can be independent. Okay, let's try the next one. So here we can see this has like multiply information here, multiply explanation here. So let's try to read this, understand these sentences. I had a country walk on Thursday and came home in a dreadful mess. So the reason why we in this case we have like multiply explanations by the computer is because there are too many long phrases existing in this word, and the describing word or the adjunction word came in the later. It's not easy for a computer or even for a human to recognize which one is describing which one. Like here, I had a country walk on Thursday. Is the I work on this Thursday or like the country work on Thursday? So I mean, for people, we understand like it's only can be the people work, but for the computer, this is like ambiguous. This is not clear. So that's the reason why it will give us like all the possible combinations to make up the sentences here. Okay, let's try the final one. So we can see like this has many like different like explanations for the by the computer. So let's try to understand the sentences. I had a little moist red paint in the palm of my hand. So I mean, looks like this is not so confusing, but for the computer, because there's like too many long phrase chunks, so and a lot of many adjective words, and you cannot guarantee which one is describing which one. And so you can see the layers of the adjective. Like, is the little to describing moist, or the little moist read, three combined just to describe the paint. So that's where the problem, that why the computers are confused a little bit and give us so many explanations, because they couldn't quite understand the relationship between the objectives and the adjective words. Like human, we can understand the problem by the context. But this is quite fine, because the first thing the computer needs to do is to break down the structure of the sentences. Then we can further process the sentences to make the computer better understand what's the meaning. That's all. Thanks very much for watching this.